welcome to the course on C Programming Learn to Code series. This is the 41st lecture of Unit 2, and in this lecture we will continue the discussion of printf function. And today we will discuss about your real number formatting, and you will see the example something like this: printf percentage 4.5f. So what is this? Why we are writing this kind of statement, and if we write this kind of statement, what will happen in your output, that we are going to discuss. So let's begin. So in the previous class we have already discussed about the integer number formatting, where we have explained about percentage WF. This is the continuation video of that previous video. So I am highly recommending all of you, before watching this video, you just watch the previous video and come to this video, and you will be able to learn everything about formatting with printf. So whenever you are trying to format real numbers, or whenever you are trying to display the floating point numbers, then inside your printf function, this type of syntax you will be able to find. So the syntax is percentage W dot VF. So what are the meaning of these statements? It is written over here. So the meaning of W is, W indicates the minimum number of positions that are to be used for the display of the values. And here V indicates the number of digits to be displayed after the decimal point. And obviously, as it is a real number formatting, F specifies the values to be printed in a real number. So for the sake of simple understanding, let us take a simple example here, and you will be able to understand why I am writing the statement something like this, that is percentage W dot V dot F. Let's say you have a real number variable or float variable. Let's say you have a float variable x, and your x contains 25.396214. Let's say this is the number which is present inside your float variable x, but you want to display it up to 3 decimal places. That means you want to display on the screen as 25.396. Okay, so from this you can understand that how many characters is there? 1, 2, this dot is also a character, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 character need to be displayed on the screen. So your W must specify that 6 character. That means whenever you are writing printf function, then inside that, if you want to print the value of x, then this could be written something like this: printf. Okay, then you need to write percentage. In place of W you need to write 6, because you want to display 6 characters. Percentage 6 point, and after the decimal point, how many character you want to display? 3 digit places, that means 396. So 6.3f. Then you need to put a colon, then you need double quote, then you put a comma, then you need to write your variable name, that is x. So if you do so, then what will happen? Automatically 6 places has been created, or we can think it as 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes will be created, and out of this 6 boxes, the first 2 boxes will be representing your number 25, then the decimal point, that is dot, then the last 3 boxes will be displaying your 3-digit number which is present after the decimal point. So this is the simplest way of writing or the real number formatting concept. Now I am going to take some examples, and I will explain you the different situation arises if you use different numbers in place of W and V. For an example, suppose in this particular example, for this example, if you write 6.3, someone will write 1.2. So what does it mean? One number of box or one number place will be allocated, out of which 2 decimal places need to be used for displaying 3 and 9. But is it possible? It is not possible, because if you write 1.2, then it is not possible that one box will be created out of which two boxes will be needed to display the numbers present at after the decimal point, which is an absurd thing. So in this kind of situation, the compiler or the printf function is so intelligent that it will display 25.39 automatically, because he understands that the user wanted to display 2 digit after the decimal point. So he will take that 39 from it, and uh, irrespective of the number of boxes created or number of space created by the user, it will ignore that and it will display 25.39. So I will explain all these things by the help of simple programming examples. So stay tuned, I will tell you in a moment. So now I am opening the VS Code, and here I am going to explain all those things. So I have already written the program over here so that you can easily understand the things. Let me clear the output window. So you can see I have written around 10 output statement, but I will explain one by one. So first of all, let us consider from the last four output part. Let me make it comment line. So from here to here I will make a comment line. I will explain after explaining the last four part. Well, so now this is all will be in comment line. Now you can see in this particular program there are four statements: printing 7, printing 8, printing 9, printing 10. So what we are trying to print is 3.141592. This is the number which is present inside the variable x, float x. Now I want to print this thing by the help of these statements. So let me run this program and I will show you what is happening to this four statement. So you can see this is the output, but I will explain the third one. This one I want to explain first, then we will discuss other one. Okay, so you can see here. So let me open my pen tool so that it will be easier to make you understand. Okay, so in this particular case, what you can see here is, you can see it is written display 9.3f. So 9.3f means, according to our discussion, there will be 9 space created for your output. Means you want to display 3.141592, and actually you want to display 3.141. That means 3-digit place, due to this percentage 0.3. Okay, so 3 represents your V and 9 represents your W. So W means 9 boxes or 9 character place has been created. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 character places has been created, out of which 3 character places will be reserved uh, for your numbers present after the decimal point. So this place, and this place will be reserved for your displaying the numbers after the decimal point. Then just before that, this will be the dot symbol, that the decimal point. Okay, then the remaining boxes will be created to display the integer part of this floating point number, that means 3. So the output will be something look like this: 3.141. So the output will be 3.141, and before that 4 character places will be taken as space. So you can see the printing 9 over here. Whatever you see here, you can see there are 4 places has been left, and it is right aligned, will be printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here there are 4 places. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 places will be left for the means that is the way the things will getting printed. Okay, so now let us consider the next example. So let us consider this one, that is printing 7. So to show you the things are going on fine or not, what I have done is I will put a 0 before that f, means before the 9. So percentage 09 0.3f means 9, this w value becomes 9 and v value becomes 3. So I want to display 3 digit after the decimal point, and the total width will be 9, and it will be represented in the right aligned format. And if any box or any character space left in the left side, it will be filled with 0. So that means for printing that 7 part, you can see the output should be look like this: 0 0 0 0 3.141. So you can see the output printing 7 here. You can see the same output has been came. Now it has been, obviously it will be updated to %2 because 141 it will be rounded off. So he has discarded this 592. That is why he is rounding off this number automatically by the compiler to 3.142. That will be done by the compiler automatically. Well, so that means you can see whenever you are writing 0.09.3, then 0 get appended before the number. And I have already explained that whenever you are writing minus 9.3, then the things will be displayed left aligned. If you are not using minus symbol, then it is displayed right aligned as shown over here. And if you use minus 9 minus symbol, then it is displayed in the left aligned manner. Okay, so if you are displaying something in the left aligned manner and you want to, if you put 0 over there, the compiler simply ignore these zeros, because he should not put zeros at the right side. 4 zeros he should not put at the right side. If he will put the zeros in the right side, the entire number is getting changed. That is why the compiler is intelligent enough and he ignores these zeros to put in the right side. But whenever I am writing %09.3f, the compiler is putting that 0 on the left side, because compiler knows 0 has no value if it is displayed on the left side of this output. Okay, so I hope you understand this 4 printing statement, this 4 printf statement. Now I am trying to explain all other printf statement present over here, so which will clear your doubt regarding the representation. Okay, so you can see here the remaining display. So let me first erase that comment and then I will print the things, then I will explain. Well, so this comment line should be removed. Now you can see, so if I run this program, the output is coming like this. Now you can see the first printing one, what I have written, I have written %f. So simply I have written %f means the entire thing must be displayed. So the entire thing has been displayed in the printing one part, 3.141592. But you can see no rounding off has been taken care by %f here, because I want to display all the precision value. So that is why the things are displayed in a simple manner. Now in the second output, you can see I have used %1.1f, means I want to create one box out of which that box will be used for displaying the number after the decimal point, which is quite absurd. So the compiler ignores this part, that is 1 point, and he understand that the user want to display one number after the decimal point. Okay, so that is why the remaining things 3.3 dot will be displayed automatically and 1 it get displayed automatically. Okay, now in the second case you can see %1.2f, 2 number get displayed, that is 3.14, and whenever it is 3.3, then it is displayed as 3.142 rounded off. Why it is rounded off? Because this after that 1 there will be 592, 5 is greater than 2, that is why it is rounded off. But whenever you are writing 4.4f, what will happen? In case of 4.4f, I want to display 4 digit after the decimal point, and obviously this 1, 3, 4 on these lines are all automatically ignored because the width is not specified properly. That is why compiler ignore those part, and he is only concentrate on 2, 3, 4, because 2, 3, 4 specifies the number of digit you want to display after the decimal point. So in case of 4.4, what will happen? it is displaying 1416. Why it is 6? Because the next statement is 92, so it will be rounded off 3.1416. Okay, so when it is 4.5, you want to display 5 digits, so that there you can see it is written 14159, but it is not rounded off, or not written 14160, because the next digit is 2, which is not greater than or equal to 5. That is why it is not rounded off, and the output is something like this, 3.14159. Okay, and the remaining, the left part will be same, and I have already explained all these 4 display point. So I hope you understand the things whenever you are trying to format real number formatting. Now what I am going to do is, I will use the same real number formatting for string, for displaying some strings. Let us understand what happened to the string outputs. Okay, so let me take this example. So here I have written a program of here. Let me clear the output window so that it will be easier to explain you everything. Now you can see I have used the same statement, that is percentage 4.5s. So s means here representing string. I want to display C programming learn to code. This is a string which is of 27 character. You can count it, and obviously you, whenever you are counting this one, you should include the space between these characters. That will be also counted. So there are 27 character actually, and I want to display something like this, percentage 4.5s. So first of all, let me run this program and you will anticipate the result automatically. You can see the output is coming like this, CPRO. You can count it. C is 1, then space is 2, PRO, these are 3. So total 5 character has been displayed. So where does it came from? It will be came from this 5s. Okay, so it ignores the fact that there will be 4 is present over there. Okay, so whenever you write something like this, then 5 characters out of this entire string gets displayed, which is something like C space PRO. In the second statement, you can see there will be 7 character you want to print, but you want the width is 10. So what happened? He has created 10 space over here. It is 10 space. This is 3, and the remaining 7 is present over here. 1, then space is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me do it with pen, then it will be easier to understand. So you can see there are 7 character, that is 1, 2, 2 is the space, then P3, R4, O5, G6 and R7. Okay, there are 7 character, but before that there are some space. So this space is actually 3 spaces left. Okay, 3 space left. So in entirely there are 10 space. Here 10 space get allocated, or 10 character space gets allocated for displaying this string, out of which 7 character has been displayed. Similarly, whenever it is 11.7, that means 11 space has been created, out of which 7 characters gets displayed. So this part is actually 3, 1 2 3, and this 1 2 3 4, and this C 7 characters gets displayed, that is C space, C is the 1 character, then space second, third, 4 5 6 7. Okay, similarly if you see this one 12.7, 12 space gets allocated, out of which 7 character displayed. Again 13.8, 13 space gets allocated, out of which 8 character gets displayed. So you can see A is appear again. So similarly you can print all other things. Okay, so that means this real number formatting, or this type of number you can use inside the percentage statement to print the strings also. Now let me show you another example. Is that the example is present? Okay, so anyway, so that's all for this discussion. So you can understand how you can use your format string to display all those things, but still I want to explain another example. So let me erase this one and paste that program. You can see what I have written the integer formatting for displaying the string constants. That means there are 27 character which is present over here, and I want to display these things by the help of 31s to 30s, 29s, 28s and 27s. Now if I run it, you can see the output over here. So you can see, as I have already told you, these are 27 characters. Whenever you are writing percentage 27s, the things are displayed in a normal way, that is natural way. If you don't put 27 also, the output will be coming something like this. But whenever you are writing percentage 28s, then 28 character space has been created and 27 space has been taken for displaying the C programming learn to code part. Okay, so whatever you see over here, there will be 28 character. So here it is a character. Similarly, whenever it is 29, two character has been just left in the left side of this output, and whenever it is 30s, then three character has been left out from the left side, and whenever it is 31, then four character has been left out in the left side, and all the 27 character get displayed. Now the question may arise, sir, if I'll put less than 27, what will happen? So you know this output. So if I'll make it 26, let's say, so you want to allocate 26 space and you want to display the entire C programming learn to code series, then what will happen? If you run this program, you can see the output just displayed as it is, because he don't want to ignore any character on the output. 26 space is not sufficient to display 27 character, that is why he just displaying all the things. Okay, but naturally whenever you saw this type of output, you are just able to ignore some of the character, but in case of integer formatting, you cannot ignore any character even if you put less number of character on the format string part, that is percentage 26a. I can show you, if I'll make it 20s also, the things will be displayed in the same manner, means everything will be displayed, that is C programming learn to code, the entire thing gets displayed. So I hope you understand everything that I have explained today, and if you are finding any difficulty in understanding this, you can post your queries on the comment section. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.